This is live North Central Oklahoma Charles weather. This is a wind advisory. Yeah, this is live North Central Oklahoma. This is Charles. It's pretty windy day here in Oklahoma. This is normal Oklahoma weather. The trees are blowing, we got dust kicking up. We got a lot of dirt and stuff in the horizon. Dust. But it's a beautiful day. That's a dish that powers our internet. It's from Pro Value of Stillwater. So. That's our guest house right there. Our mother-in-law lives there. This is our place. Beautiful blue skies. The wind's starting to calm down now. But we'll go inside and see what the average is. Okay, this is looking towards the southwest. You can see along the tree lines. You can see all the dust in the air. Got a lot of blowing dust and dirt, blowing dirt and stuff. Say hi, fish. Hi. Okay, we're here at the studio now. Got the computers up and running. Just have to turn the monitors on. Oh, we got beautiful blue skies, so we're not worried about any thunderstorms today. It's just high winds. It's 77.8 right now because it calmed down. But the gusts, see what the gust is. Channel history maximum. 25.2, 30 miles per hour is the max, guys. We're still trying to figure this thing out. Okay. Average is 7.3, 13. It's the average outside right now. So that's our average wind gust. Gust to 16 while ago. It's 10 right now. Okay. Okay, we're gonna. Sorry about that. I might have to cut that out. 22 to 38 miles per hour from the west. So we're gonna continue watching this as the wind. Here's the view out of the window of the studio. So if you like this video, don't forget to click and subscribe. Click the notification bell. This is Charles signing off. We're gonna keep you forewarned. It's a high wind advisory today, so be careful if you're driving down the road, especially the north and south. North and south. The wind can blow you around. It'd be hard. So if you'd be fighting the wind, it'll be coming from your west. If you're going north and south road. So this is Charles signing off. Thanks for watching, guys.